Hello guys, in this project we are going to discuss about a battery charging circuit powered by a solar plate. For making this project we need a solar plate and a circuit diagram so that the output, that means the battery, get control power from the solar plate. The circuit diagram is shown here. For making this circuit we need some components like one MOSFET, Zener diode, diodes, potentiometer, resistors, LED bulbs, etc. So based on the circuit diagram I make a circuit here in the breadboard. As you can see, the circuit is making here. So I don't think that I need to show how to make this circuit. As you can see, the circuit diagram is here. You can easily make the circuit. So here I use this solar plate as a source of this circuit. As you can see, the solar here, the solar plate is here is its source. You can see its source, and the output is the battery. So by using this solar I will charge this battery. So right now actually I don't have any rechargeable battery, so that I can't show you that the battery is charging after connecting this solar plate. So I will explain a little bit about the circuit so that you can understand that without the battery I can assure you that this circuit is working properly. So here you can see that this LED is here connected with parallel to the battery. Parallel to this battery, yes. Okay, if some currents are coming from this path, it will divide it according to the internal resistance of these two paths. Okay, if this LED is glowing, that means some currents is coming from this path and it's divided in these two paths. So right now actually I don't have any battery, so that means this is open circuited. That means all these currents are flowing through this path. That means the LED will glow. If there are some batteries connected, then also LED will glow, because according to the internal resistance some current will also flow this path. That means this LED is working as an indicator of this battery, that whether the battery is charging or not. Okay, so now let's see, after connecting the solar plate to the circuitry, whether this LED is glowing or not. So you can see there are two LEDs. This LED is LED is indicating LED that whether the battery is charging or not, and this LED is working as a another indicator. It shows that LED battery is fully charged. So here I will show you that this LED is glowing after connecting the circuit. Okay, if it's glow, that means current is passing through this path. So okay, so let's connect this solar plate to the circuitry. It's almost connected. Yes, it's connected. So the solar plate is connected to the circuit. Now let's see whether this LED is glowing. Here this LED is this one. Okay, so as you can see, this LED is glowing little bit. Yes, it's glowing. That means the current is passing through this path. That means the LED, solar plate and the circuit is working properly. So actually right now I'm doing this project in my room, so the solar plate don't get sufficient light in light so that the LED can glow with its full intensity. So here the circuitry guys. Right now we also can vary the output voltage, output current by varying this potentiometer. Here you can see the one potentiometer is there, and I am showing this potentiometer in the circuit. So here you can see this potentiometer. This is the potentiometer. By varying this potentiometer we can control the output voltage. Here this LM317 IC is working as a voltage regulator. By varying this adjust pin we can control the output voltage. How much voltage we need in this output, we can control it by varying this potentiometer. So here this potentiometer, you can see I have already shown you. By varying this we can control the output, and as you can see the circuit is working properly as the LED is glowing perfectly. So this is the circuitry, this is the project little bit. Okay, thank you guys.